Welcome back to our series on Agentic AI. In our last episode, we discussed the critical importance of ethical autonomy, ensuring that these systems operate fairly and responsibly. Today, we're shifting gears to explore the economics of Agentic AI. How is this technology reshaping industries, creating new markets, and redefining value in a rapidly evolving economy? Agentic AI is poised to become a driving force behind economic transformation. By enabling systems that can think, adapt, and act autonomously, this technology is unlocking efficiencies and opportunities that were previously unimaginable. Let's start with cost reduction. In industries like logistics and manufacturing, agentic AI can optimize processes in real time, reducing waste, minimizing downtime, and driving down operational cost. Imagine factories where AI agents autonomously manage production lines, ensuring peak efficiency and lowering overhead. But the economic impact isn't just about saving money, it's also about creating value. Agentic AI has the potential to redefine customer experiences, enabling hyper personalized services that drive loyalty and engagement. In retail, for example, AI agents could analyze customer preferences, predict needs, and offer tailored recommendations, enhancing the shopping experience and boosting sales. Entirely new markets are also emerging around agentic AI. Consider the rise of AI as a service models, where organizations can access specialized AI agents for tasks like data analysis, customer support, or supply chain management. These services lower the barrier to entry for businesses, allowing even small companies to leverage advanced AI capabilities without significant investment. Agentic AI is also redefining labor economics. While some fear that automation will replace jobs, the reality is more nuanced. Many roles are evolving rather than disappearing, with AI taking over repetitive tasks and freeing humans to focus on strategic, creative, and interpersonal work. This shift is driving demand for new skills, creating opportunities for education, training, and reskilling industries to flourish. On a broader scale, agentic AI could accelerate global economic growth by solving complex challenges in areas like energy management, healthcare, and infrastructure. Imagine AI agents optimizing energy grids to reduce costs and emissions, or revolutionizing healthcare systems by enabling faster, more accurate diagnostics. Of course, these economic transformations come with challenges. The initial investment in AI systems can be significant, and organizations must navigate the costs of implementation, training, and integration. Additionally, disparities in access to AI technology could exacerbate economic inequality if not addressed through thoughtful policy and collaboration. Despite these hurdles, the economic potential of agentic AI is immense. By driving efficiency, innovation, and value creation, it's set to become a cornerstone of the future economy, a catalyst for industries to evolve and thrive. In our next episode, we'll explore agentic AI patterns. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the transformative world of agentic AI.